Scientific notation, multiplying and dividing. This is a digital lesson, and this lesson comes after students already know how to change numbers to scientific notation and then how to change them from scientific notation to standard form. So it starts out with just a review of what scientific notation is, and then it shows them how to multiply. So we've got two numbers here written in scientific notation. We're going to multiply these two numbers separately. We call that the mantissa, 5 times 6, and 10 to the second power times 10 to the eighth power. And here when we're multiplying, we add the exponents. So we get 30 times 10 to the 10th, but we don't want to leave it like this. We want to change it back to scientific notation. So to keep this equal, we're going to divide by 10 here, and we're going to multiply by 10 here. So that will give us 10 to the 11th power and 3. Now students are going to do each one of these on the next few slides. Again, multiply the mantissa and multiply the exponents. They're just going to type in the answer. So they've got several to do here. Here they're going to multiply and then change it back to scientific notation. Now we have a negative number here, so negative 7 plus 9, that would give them 10 to the second power. And then we go on to division. So when we're dividing numbers written in scientific notation, we're going to subtract the exponents. Here we're just going to divide, and here we're going to subtract the exponents. So we're going to get an answer of 5/10 times 10 to the fourth power. We want to change that back to scientific notation, so we're going to multiply by 10 here, divide by 10 here. And they've got a few more of those to practice. It gets a little bit tricky here. Here we have 4 subtract 7, so that's going to give us 10 to the negative 3 power. And here 4 subtract negative 9 would be 4 plus 9, or 10 to the 13th power. And here 10 to the negative 7 power. So they need to know their integers. And then they've got a challenge problem. So after they've gone through all of the other slides, they can get a little bit of a challenge on this one and see if they can solve it. So that is scientific notation, multiplying and dividing, digital lesson.